What's up, everybody? I'm here to show you how to refill your Levoit LV600S humidifier when it's out of water. So you want to take the top off and then take the other top off, the main container, and then you're going to want to find the large round cylinder. Go ahead and spin that counterclockwise and take that off. And then you're going to want to use distilled water since it is an ultrasonic humidifier. Carries about 6 liters, which is 1.5 gallons. I only have 1 gallon on me, so I'm just going to use 1 gallon. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and do the steps in reverse. Just spin that on clockwise, flip it over, put it back on, and then put the top back on, and you should be good to go. All right, enjoy.